Okay, we have a Leadwell CNC 5-axis machining center model V40IT. Serial number L2TAG0558. Machine was new in 2018. We're going to run it for you. Machine's got a lot of options. It has the FANUC OIMD CNC control. You have a 5-axis table. You heard the Y and the Z axis so far. X, all axes are quiet. Machine has under 500 hours of use since 2018. The trunnion. And your PLATTEN. Machine has both Renishaw laser tool setter and probing. So part and tool. We're running. The machine has 2,400 RPM? 2,500. Machine goes up to 12,000 RPM. It is a BT40 spindle tool. You have 35, 30 ATC, 6,500. 8,000 RPM, very, very quiet. Machine's original paint, has a chip conveyor, cooling through spindle. We're going to simulate a tool change with the air blowout. Second tool change, okay. All right, hey, again, the machine does have cooling through spindle, high pressure. You have a chip conveyor with the machine, and it's here. Thanks for watching our video.